have in front of me a Huawei B818 outdoor 4G antenna kit. It's available with free shipping directly from freetv.ie. So the purpose of this is to give an external 4G aerial kit that will run directly into a Huawei B818 4G router inside. Okay. So at the heart of the kit here, what we have is our MIMO aerial here. So it's twin polarization there, hence the shape of the aerial. Now this will cover frequency ranges from 800 to 2170 megahertz, and running directly off it here we have two SMA cables that are terminated with SMA connections here. Okay, now because of the design of the B818, you need to actually adapt the cable that's running off the standard 4G aerial, and to do that we're actually going to use these kits here. So there are male TS9 to female SMA cable connections here. So the SMA will just screw in here and it just converts it over into the TS9 style connection, okay? And then you're connected directly up. Now there's two options we give with this which are quite popular. The first thing is, if you want to mount this aerial outside and don't have an existing pole mounted, the best way to go with it is go something like this. It's an aluminium weatherproof bracket, plastic cap on it, and a very simple, two plugs and two screws mounted directly into a masonry wall, for instance. And the other thing then is the 10-meter SMA cables that come with this may or may not be sufficiently long to go from the router all the way out to the 4G aerial. So if it isn't sufficiently long, you have the option of either going with a 5 or a 10-meter SMA cable, extension cable, so it's female on one end, male on the other, and it's just pre-terminated, so you can just screw them in and extend it out. So that's it anyway, an overview of the Huawei B818 outdoor 4G antenna kit.